The best SSDs might be just what you are looking for if you want to speed up your PC in the most cost-effective way. They are reliable, go fast, and sip power too. Whether you are one with some important files that need to stay safe, or you are a content creator that needs quick access to large files all the time, hard drives are no longer the best way to do any of that. Now, SSDs do typically cost a bit more than a hard drive, but that has slowly been changing. These days, you can get a pretty capacious SSD pretty cheap if you know where to look. And because they don't have moving parts, they are less susceptible to damage, which means you don't have to replace them nearly as often. Plus, because of their small sizes, you will be easily able to fit them into whatever PC you need them in, from the best gaming PCs to a tiny ultrabook. You don't need one of the best PCs to benefit from how speedy these drives are though. No matter if you need an additional drive or are upgrading your old hard drive, take a look of one of the best SSDs listed here to find the best one for you. With so many options out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Whether you are looking for best gaming SSDs or the fastest M.2 SSDs, you will find something to fit your needs. Well, this is Subir Ranjan. Welcome to my channel. Guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Stick around, let's start. Samsung is no stranger to creating some of the best SSDs, so when it launched the Samsung 970 EVO Plus with higher speeds and new silicon, even we were surprised. The Samsung 970 EVO Plus is simply one of the fastest drives on the market, but the fact that Samsung is selling it at such a bargain price is just the icing on the cake. Because of how affordable this drive is, it's not hard to recommend it as the best SSD for anyone. The Corsair MP400 is a gem. With low price even for SATA SSDs, the Corsair MP400 is offering a ton of storage, so you get the most for your money. But it's not a SATA SSD. It's a PCIe NVMe SSD and not a slow one at that. It's competitive in speeds with many other PCIe's 3.0 SSDs and undercuts them in price. Its lower endurance is about the only drawback, but it's not only to be a major concern for typical users who aren't writing tons of data. The Optane SSD 905P is hardly a newcomer, but with a random read rated at 5,75,000 IOPS and random writes rated at 5,55,000 IOPS, it's definitely one of the Intel's fastest drives. Granted, its 2600 Mbps sequential read and 2200 Mbps sequential write speeds might seem a bit pedestrian, especially next to the Samsung 970 EVO and WD Black NVMe SSDs. That doesn't stop it from being a fast solid state drive. Not to mention one of the best SSDs on the market. Again, Samsung has been behind some of the best SSDs that have been hitting the streets for years, and even though other manufacturers like Western Digital and AData are trying their best to give it a run for its money, the Samsung 970 EVO is still the best SSD you can buy if you are after raw speed. The read speeds haven't improved over the previous generation's 960 Pro, but the write speeds see a significant bump up to 2700 Mbps, which is how it retains its fastest SSD crown. If you are looking for the best SSDs to choose from with no compromises, you can't go wrong adding the Samsung 970 Pro to your list. The SK Hynix Gold P31 is a fantastic drive, especially at its recently reduced price. It offers incredible speeds on the PCIe 3.0 interface, even coming close to some of the PCIe 4.0 based drives we have tested. But therein lies the only major drawback: much faster drives are now hitting the market. There are many cases where the P31 will be a great pick, but where there's an empty PCIe 4.0 slot, it will make more sense to go with the faster drive. The Silicon Power US70 brings the price of PCIe 4.0 SSDs down to a more easy to stomach level. It's pleasantly fast for a value-oriented drive and has serious endurance, but it has some competition that can undercut it in price while jumping ahead in speed. It doesn't help that it's also a strange blue PCB that won't blend well with many motherboards. People might not be going crazy about SATA 3 anymore, but the Samsung 860 Pro proves that there's still plenty of life in the aging interface after all. With storage up to 4 TB and transfer speeds that approach the theoretical maximum of the SATA 3 interface, not to mention top of the line reliability and security, the Samsung 860 Pro is among the best SSDs for anyone still clinging to SATA 3. The U.2 standard allows for bigger SSD's capacities and uses your computer's PCIe X4 slot to send all that data back and forth. The Intel 750 series includes a cable so you can mount the drive in the bay on your case and still plug it into the PCIe slot on your motherboard, making it among our favorite as well as among the best SSDs on offer today. Samsung had a hard act to follow. The Samsung 850 EVO has beloved for its stunning performance and affordability. Luckily, the Samsung 860 EVO absolutely succeeded in, succeeding it. Though limited by the SATA 3 interface, the Samsung 860 EVO delivers performance that iterates on its predecessor with improved read-write speeds and an array of form factors while still maintaining its budget price. The 860 EVO is, without a doubt, best SSD for anyone looking for an entry-level SSD without having to break open their piggy banks. The T-Force Delta Max SSD from TEAM is about as stylish as a drive can get thanks to an RGB layer that can sync with a variety of motherboards. It's actually on a fast side for a SATA SSD as too. But it's no contest when put head to head with the PCIe SSD, which can now beat it in both speed and pricing. The best NVMe SSDs used to be way too expensive for most users, but those days are coming to an end. The Intel 760p series SSD changes everything. This SSD features impressive performance that's only slightly behind the beloved Samsung 960 EVO, boasting speeds of 3056 Mbps read and 1606 Mbps write. What really makes a 760p stand out is the fantastic price to performance ratio. Yeah, there are faster NVMe drives on the market, but you will be paying a premium them, and frankly, it's not worth it. This is one of the best SSDs out there, not just because it's fast, but because the Intel 760p makes us excited about the future. So guys, that was all about the best SSDs of 2021. If you are going to upgrade your PC or laptop, and consider the SSDs that I have mentioned in my video. How you like this video guys? I want your likes, comments and shares. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whatever the latest leaked informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. I need plenty of support from you all subscribers, users and viewers. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.